Hey, Justin Hobo as well. I'm wondering why not sell Tesla? It seems like we're in a bubble still. There might be a crash soon. Uh, I want to be optimistic, but the economy's not going to look too good, I feel. So, yeah, just wondering why not sell Tesla?
That's a great question. So, Tom Tesla's Garage, if you're still on, that's great Tesla account. Go follow him on TikTok. Why not sell Tesla? Well, you got me in a bind here. Part of it's laziness, to be honest, because I like Tesla. I would never short that stock because it has so many fanboys, both on the street and off, that it can rip on you for any given reason. Um, but yeah, like selling at 1500 at 7x sales, yeah, I mean, that makes sense. But if they have a killer quarter and they just start selling like crazy, then they might rip on you. Like I think it's expensive for sure. Guys, I told you about this. The last time Tesla traded at over 8 times forward sales, it had basically 4 or 5 years straight of no stock price appreciation. That's what, like, people that like don't understand things, they're like, fundamentals don't matter, right? Like, yeah, maybe day to day, or like, he's laughing because he's just a fundamental guy. Because when you're in the private markets, you don't need to deal with anything but fundamentals because you don't have a stock price quoted at you every day. But anyway, I digress. Private equity Pete is distracting me. But Tesla, right? Fundamentals do matter because if something runs away from you and gets too expensive, like maybe it doesn't crash, but it won't go up, right? You want to buy cash flows at a reasonable valuation.